Here we present the 5 best home coffee maker. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Aesthetics aside, this Bonavita model packs a serious punch, arguably producing the best cup of drip coffee you'll ever taste. It does so by utilizing the underused process of pre-infusion, which lets the coffee grounds a few minutes before brewing. Pre-infusion allows for your coffee to extract evenly, producing a more consistent brew, and a hell of a good cup of coffee. Moreover, the device's thermal 8-cup carafe keeps the coffee piping hot, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for nearly 4 hours after the brew cycle completes. Compact, sleek, and efficient, Bonavita's 1900 TS is the cream of the coffee maker crop. At number 4. The Baratza Encore is simplicity defined. This burr grinder has a 40-setting grind size selector, an on-off switch for continuous grinding, and a push button for manual control. That's it. Other grinders include complicated timers, built-in scales, strength adjustment sliders, and other doodads, but Baratza suggests that you don't need them, and they're right. Measure your beans using a separate scale, grind them fresh for each cup. That's the way to do it. This grinder produced the most even grounds out of all the machines I tested, and its range of output is all-encompassing. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. The K575 features a responsive and easy-to-navigate touchscreen, a massive 80 ounces water reservoir, the largest available, and the option to brew a full carafe for guests. Users can adjust everything from cup size, to temperature, to coffee strength, and can make cocoa, tea, chai, and even soup. In our tests we found the K575 easy to use, quick to brew, and remarkably quiet. It also comes with a useful hot water only mode. The one drawback is that it can only be used with current 2.0 pods, although the MyK-Cup 2.0 reusable filter can accept whatever ground coffee you choose. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. The dishwasher safe, BPA-free model from Tequila can brew up to a quart of concentrated cold brew coffee. It not only yielded one of the best tasting brews, it also aced our usability tests. The brewer is easy to set up, offers a durable build, and is simple to clean and store for later use. It is also the only brewer that is airtight while it brews, allowing you to easily store the brewer on its side in a packed fridge. All of these design choices, combined with a low price tag and glowing user reviews, make the Tequila not only the best cold brewer we tested, but also our best value pick. And coming in at number 1 of our list. With its mid-century design and an exposed reservoir, you'll want to leave the Moccamaster out on the counter even when it's not in use. But it doesn't just look great. Indeed, the pricey Moccamaster brews a complex and smooth pot of coffee that ranked highest in our taste test. This machine also fills a full pot quickly, a necessity for the morning rush. Only 2 optional settings are available. You can control the heating element under the carafe and turn down the temperature if desired. Other than that, the Moccamaster doesn't have, and doesn't need, anything else. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.